Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign into Google Meet on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell icon since you'll be receiving instant notification. As soon as I post a new video, in order to log into your Google Meet application on your iPhone, the first thing you need is an application. Of course, if you've got the app, simply tap it on. If you don't, go to your App Store and download Google Meet application on your iPhone. Once you have an application, tap and open from the first interface of Google Meet, tap on the Sign In button at the bottom of the screen. Soon after do that you will be able to see a pop-up that says Meet wants to use Google. Come to sign in, which means you need to have a Google account in order to log into Google Meet. Tap on Continue and you'll be taken to the sign-in area for your Google account. Type your email or your phone number in the first text box and then tap Next. Now head over to the password field and type in your password as well. After you're done typing in your password, tap off the Next button. But if don't remember your password during the process, tap on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. After you're done entering your credentials, tap Next. So now after you enter your correct credentials for your Google account, you'll be logged into your Google Meet account in a few simple steps. That is how you'll be able to log into your Google Meet account using your iPhone. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.